Hurricane Matthew created a lot of challenges for the police department and for first responders. They called the roadway shark bites because it looked like a big shark had taken bites out of what previously was 2.5 miles of asphalt highway, and it fell into the ocean.
Governor Scott got involved. He mandated that this bid go out, and he wanted the roadway opened up in 30 days. They awarded the contract Sunday. We had to gear up, go Monday morning. We knew back when we got to the point of paving, Evotherm is what you need to use. It's helped us on any mixes that previously we had problems, issues with.
Evotherm is a technology designed to lower the temperatures during production and compaction of asphalt paving.
It's been so successful, I use Evotherm exclusively on any mix that we do. Everybody worked hard and we completed it, and a lot of people said it would never happen, but we done it.
We thought it was going to take months, and when they came out and they did that in 2 weeks, we were shocked. We appreciate it. We definitely appreciate it here.
We couldn't have done it without you.